Coordinating Committee on Manipur Unity, Cocomi, has appealed state administration to take immediate action to resolve the land dispute in Konsakhul area in accordance with law and based on historical records and facts. In a press note that was issued by media coordinator of Cocomi, Imphal, Cocomi condemned the assault and manhandling of Liangmai women by tenant settler Chin Kuki community. While maintaining that indigenous communities of Manipur have been facing systematic encroachment and occupation of their lands by immigrant groups and refugees, Cocomi said the situation has reached alarming proportions, with tenant settlers, predominantly from Chinkuki community, engaging in forceful occupation and exploitation of forest resources without taking consent from rightful village authorities. In the press note, Cocomi further stressed that Konsakhul, also known as Konsaram, is one of the oldest Liangmai villages with historical significance. The first settlement of Leilon Vaifei village, which was established with the consent of Konsakhul village chief, paved the way for the emergence of other villages belonging to Chinkuki community. Over time, the tenant settlers have grown in number and are attempting to assert dominance over the indigenous village. Cocomi also maintained that the lack clarity in administrative records regarding the status of hill villages has further emboldened the Chinkuki groups who easily exploit the gaps to justify illegal occupations. While strongly condemning the aggression of tenant settlers who attacked the rightful landowner, Cocomi has urged Konsakhul village authority to remain steadfast in their commitment to expose and address these encroachments while safeguarding the rights of indigenous people. While reasserting its commitment towards welfare of indigenous communities, Cocomi also maintained that the struggle to preserve integrity of indigenous land and communities is a collective responsibility.